Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for August 17th, 2025. If you're enjoying these translations, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now let's look at what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Ketun, 12 Tun, 13 Yuwanal, and the 15 Kin. Today's long count favors grounded integration. It asks of you to move with measured clarity and to let seasoned insight guide simple, effective steps. The 15 Kin is about emergence and consolidation and poised, steady momentum. Today you're being asked to name one core lesson that you're now ready to live daily. It doesn't have to be a big life lesson, but take time to reflect and then translate it into a small, repeatable action. Now let's explore what the Tzolk'in calendar has to say. Today's date is 3 Kib. Kib is represented by the vulture purification, forgiveness, and higher cleanup. Its symbolism is that of sacred cleansing, atonement, making amends, and clearing residue. It's about practical correction, humble wisdom, and spiritual hygiene. The number 3 is about activation and movement, turning intentions into actions through communication and first steps. Collectively, 3 Kib calls for compassionate course correction. Cleaning up what lingers, that could be having the brave conversation, make amends, clearing the clutter, so that energy can flow again. Today, you're being asked to tidy one space or close one unfinished task that lingers unfinished in your life, whether that's offering an apology or a thank you where it's due. Now let's move on to the Hob calendar. Today's Hob date is 16 Muwan. Muwan is represented by the owl, storm, fire, and rain. Today its symbolism is about insight through intensity and purification that reveals the path. The number 16 is about expansion from clarity such as growth that follows cleansing and truth moving into form. Collectively, 16 Muwan's message for you is that after recent storms, insight is clear, it's time to now embody it. This is the time to let the owl's night sight guide your wise, understated actions. You are being asked to align your calendar with what truly matters to you and to also schedule one supportive gesture or habit and commit to it. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. This is a day for gentle repair and practical purification. Communities, such as friendships, relationships, or family, strengthen when we clean our side of the street, such as forgiveness and moving forward with integrity. The themes today are that of making amends and restoring flow, turning clarity into simple systems, and humble leadership through tidy actions and post-storm integration. You're being asked to finish one nagging task or something that is consistently on your mind. Sometimes it is simple as sending one message or making one call that clears the air. Lastly, this is a day to also put one boundary or habit into your schedule. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars. I clear what's heavy with honesty and grace, opening space for clean, steady momentum. Thank you for your support.